Managing your money is now as easy as speaking. With AI Pay, use voice commands to send and receive money, get smart financial insights, automate payments, and receive personalized investment tips all through your voice. Simplify your finances with AI Pay today.
Hello everyone, this is a payment app called AI Pay. So now here we get the login page where we can log in our user. The username is Nidhi and the password is 1234. And likewise, we'll be logged into the app. First, let us check the scanning and paying of this app. Here we can go and scan any QR code, and later we can enter the amount which we want to send to that particular QR code. And later there are subcategories as well, which was discussed in the problem statement 1, where we can give a category like housing and utilities, and later take utilities as a subcategory and submit. And here we have to input our OTP, and through this we can easily make a payment. And here you can see we got the congratulations message. Now let's go back to our home page. Let's check how we can see how much we are spending. We'll go to this transaction history, and here we can get a breakdown of how much we are spending on each particular thing. So here we can see that we are spending 72.49 on food and 196.55 on grocery, and likewise we can also see how much credits we are getting and how much debit we are doing. So let's go back to the home page. From home page, let's now check out another feature which is called the expense check. On expense check, we can create a limit to any transaction that we are doing. Like we can give a limit of 600 to food. So when we give a limit of 600 to food and we check here, we get a limit of 600 to food. Now let's go and check the second feature of our app, which is voice assisted transactions. So when we go here and I give a prompt, it will transfer the money. So let's check this. Transfer 500 rupees to Vishal for food.
Redirecting to payment page.
So now I just have to input my UPI pin and the transaction will be done. And the transaction is successful. So let's now check the third feature of our app, which is called Invest AI. Invest AI is a chatbot which gives you investment suggestions according to your transaction history. So now let's give our first input, which is hi.
Hi there, what can I do for you today?
Now let's give our first prompt. So our first prompt is, from my transactions, suggest me some stocks to invest. And let's now see what the chatbot gives us as a result. So we can see the result given from chatbot. Now let's go back to the home page. Here we can check some more features of our app, like we can go to the user page and see all the details of the user. We can also log out from the app just from this button. Now this was our app called AI Pay, which can revolutionize your financial journey. Thank you everyone.